Gentlemen, this is Mantelligence. Today, Kate, Larry, and I will be spilling all the tricks to get a girl addicted to you. We'll also be teaching you how to be more attractive and some useful techniques to get a girl.
Today's topic was inspired by Apollonia Ponti's video about getting a girl addicted to you. And because we want you to get the girl, we'll also be telling you the number one thing you shouldn't do so she'll always be attracted to you. Let's start.
Number 5. Amp up your confidence factor. Gentlemen, if you want to know how to attract women and make any girl crazy for you, the rule of thumb is always to start with yourself. When you're in the dating game, you'd want to be the kind man a woman wants to be with. Not only does it make you a better man yourself, but it also amps up your confidence level. And women love confident men. In fact, research has confirmed that confidence is one of the traits women look for in potential partners. Why? One reason is that traits like competence, drive, social status, and kindness are difficult to observe directly. So we trust that people know themselves well and assume that their confidence, or lack thereof, reflects their actual value as a partner. Do you want to know how to become more confident? Here are some tips to help you boost your confidence. Tip number 1. Confident men know themselves. Take the time to reflect on your personal strengths and weaknesses and work on your qualities that need fixing. Tip number 2. Confident men make time to look their best. If you want to look your best physically, work on your hygiene, eat healthier food, and maintain a regular workout. According to psychologists and colleagues Viren Swamy and Adrian Furnham, people are strongly influenced, at least in initial encounters, by their partner's physical attractiveness. If you feel good, you look good, right? Last tip, improve your body language. Keep an assertive posture, maintain good eye contact, and stop fidgeting. When it comes to dating, showing confidence is one of the biggest tricks you can use to attract women. Confidence is irresistible. Watch this video if you want to learn more tricks to make a girl crazy for you. Check it out.
Number 4. Perfect your smile.
After taking time to work on your confidence, perfecting your smile is up next on your to-do list. Gentlemen, if you want to get a girl addicted to you, show off your great smile. In a 2013 study, researchers found that a person's attractiveness was directly and strongly influenced by the intensity of a smile expressed on a face. They tested this by presenting participants with morphed faces varying in attractiveness and happiness, and asked them to choose the most attractive one. It seems that smiling is the fastest way to attract girls even without talking to them. In fact, it makes you more dateable. According to relationship and online dating expert Dr. Jess Cabino, when someone sees you smiling, they tend to smile in response. And when they do, the stimulation of the smile muscles releases endorphins that make people feel better. Then they associate you with feeling good, making them more likely to want to spend more time with you. If you want to know how to get a girl to like you, especially in this world of dating apps, Dr. Cabino says that smiling makes a significant difference in whether a person gets swept right or not. What makes an appealing smile, you might ask? Research at Coffee Meets Bagel, an online dating app, found that having a big, open-mouthed smile was important, especially for men. Of the men that got liked, more than 50% of the time, nearly 80% were smiling with their teeth showing, compared to just 16% who weren't smiling and 5% who had a closed-mouth smile. When it comes to perfecting your smile, practice makes perfect. A genuine smile involves both the eyes and the mouth.
As Tyra Banks would say, smile with your eyes. One way to improve your smile is to practice smiling into a mirror to get a sense of what you should be doing when you smile to make it look more attractive. Do you want to know more techniques to get a girl? Watch this video where we teach you tricks about how to attract girls without talking to them. Check it out. Number 3. Skip the small talk. Gentlemen, if you want to get a girl addicted to you, making small talk does not work. The conversations you choose to have matter to get a girl to instantly like you.
In his 1997 study, psychologist Dr. Arthur Aaron tested out the possibility of accelerating the attraction and intimacy between two strangers. Together with his colleagues, they separated two groups of undergrads and paired them off, giving each duo 45 minutes to answer a set of questions. One question set was small talk, and the other was increasingly probing. The person who asked more profound questions felt more connected. This is how we came up with now he calls the 36 questions that lead to love. This is probably one of the most brilliant techniques to get a girl, and it only takes you 45 minutes. According to Dr. Aaron, these questions almost always make two people feel better about each other and want to see each other again. So men, if you're wondering how to get your crush to like you, why not try asking these questions the next time you're out on a date?
To give you an idea, here are 5 questions from the list that we think would be perfect conversation starters. What would constitute a perfect day for you? Name 3 things you and I appear to have in common. Take 4 minutes and tell me your life story in as much detail as possible. For what in your life do you feel most grateful? If you were going to become a close friend with your partner, share what would be important for them to know.
When asking these questions, your body language counts too, so remember to face her, maintain eye contact, and empathize with a nod. Show her that you're a good listener and genuinely interested in getting to know her. In fact, a study reveals that females like guys who are good listeners and pick up on cues in flirting. So pay attention. We have a lot of techniques to get a girl in store for you. This video will help you get a girl to instantly like you. Check it out. We'll be sharing 2 more tips to get a girl addicted to you. But before we continue, I want to remind you that at the end of this video, we will be revealing the #1 thing you shouldn't do so she'll always be attracted to you. So if you want to know how to get girls to like you, stick around. Let's continue. Number 2, master her love language. Now, this is a foolproof way to get a girl addicted to you. Have you ever heard of the 5 love languages? The concept, which talks about the 5 different ways of expressing and receiving love, was developed by marriage counselor Dr. Gary Chapman. The 5 love languages are words of affirmation, quality time, receiving gifts, acts of service, and physical touch. According to marriage and family therapist Sunny Motamedi, we all may relate to most of these languages, but each has one that speaks to us most. And recognizing a partner's love language helps a person make sure their partner's needs and wants are being met, says psychiatrist Samantha Saltz. If a woman's love language is words of affirmation, shower her with compliments, words of appreciation, and verbal encouragement. On the other hand, women who prefer acts of service believe that actions speak louder than words. So walk the talk and show her that she's appreciated. If her love language is quality time, you might have to spend a lot of time with her. These girls love it when you give them your full presence. If she likes receiving gifts, make sure you're giving her something meaningful that matters to her. Lastly, if she prefers physical touch, with consent, hold her, touch her, and kiss her often. Mastering a woman's love language will make her feel seen, valued, and taken care of. I mean, how can you resist a guy like that?
Number 1, give her a good time every time. How you make a woman feel matters most of all. So if you want to be irresistible to the girl you like, make sure you give her a good time every time. Research shows we don't really fall in love with a person. We fall in love with how we feel when we're with them. This is called emotional contagion, or the ability to influence the emotions and behaviors of others, either directly or indirectly. Keep her heart full, and she's yours forever.
Now that you know all of these techniques to get a girl addicted to you, you only need one more thing to seal the deal. Gentlemen, if you want to keep a girl attracted to you, don't be inconsistent. Don't make her feel like she's on top of the world one day and forgotten the next. Above all, women love consistency. So keep showing up.
How do you get a girl addicted to you? Share some more techniques to get a girl. We'd love to learn from you, too.
To sum it all up, to get a girl addicted to you, boost your confidence level. Show off a great smile, make better conversations, and make her feel like she's the only girl in the world. We hope these techniques to get a girl will be helpful in your dating quest. Watch this video if you want to learn more tricks to make a girl crazy for you. Check it out.